Welcome back to my channel. My name is Casey if you are new here, and today I am going to be doing a Marilyn Monroe inspired makeup look. This video is not sponsored. Wet n Wild was so kind and sent me over their new Marilyn Monroe collection. So thank you guys so much. I wish I had the blonde wig. I did not know what to do to my hair, so this is what we're working with. I do love how the makeup turned out. I hope you guys enjoy today's video. If you're not yet subscribed, please do so. If you want, no pressure. Also give this video a thumbs up. It shows me that you care, and she's just gonna jump right into it.
Just follow my lead.
So my foundation is on. Now I'm going to set my foundation. I'm gonna take the Wet n Wild Marilyn Monroe translucent powder. And I'm going to use the Wet n Wild brush that this set came with. I love this brush. I've already used it. I'm gonna put this under my eye, around my nose here. And then with whatever's left, I'll go around my face. I'm liking the powder. I'm going to contour. I am gonna take my Hoola Benefit Bronzer. I don't wanna bring the contour down too much. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. And then I'm also gonna contour right here, just because that's what Marilyn did. The sides. And then I push it into the hairline. And then I'm gonna bronze up the forehead a little. Next, I'm going to do my brows, and I'm just gonna push the hairs up with my spoolie. And I'm gonna do my brows different today. I want them to be more Marilyn-esque. So Marilyn has more of an arch, like a pointed arch. So I'm gonna try and recreate that. I'm gonna use my NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I love this thing because it's so skinny. You can really create a nice structure. If you need to do thinner lines, you're gonna have great control with this. So I'm just gonna start by filling in my brow. It's always a challenge for me to talk and do my brows at the same time. Just gonna blend it as I go. I'm using a really light hand. So right up here, I'm gonna make this pointy. And then she brings it straight down. I'm just gonna clean it up with some concealer and a flat liner brush. Okay, the lighting was a little weird over there, so we switched positions. Next, I'm going to contour my nose. This is my favorite part, and I actually already contour my nose very similar to how Marilyn did. And I'm gonna take my Benefit Hoola bronzer again, and I'm gonna take a flat eyeshadow brush. My cat is doing the most right now. So Marilyn kind of does like this line over her bulb of the nose. So line over the nose like so. I love doing this. I feel like it completely transforms the nose. Not the mirror, Doja. Not the mirror, honey bunny. Why are her pants so cray? And I'm gonna bring this down, kind of like around my nostril. Okay, and then I'm gonna draw a line right here. And then I'm gonna bring this, kind of like creating a circle. And this is gonna lift the nose. Okay, we need to blend this out. Highlight the tip of my nose. Normally I would have more contour than highlight here. Since we're doing a Marilyn look, I'm gonna kind of make that a little bit more pronounced. Remember, anytime you use a highlight, it's going to make it stick out, and the darker contour shades going to make it fade back. Next, we're gonna move on to the eyes. I'm gonna take the Marilyn Monroe Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild brush. I already started using it. I love eyeshadow brushes that look like this. Really great for packing the color on. I'm actually gonna clean that off. I'm gonna take the white in this palette and I'm gonna pop this all over my lid. But her eyes are so dreamy. I'm gonna try and recreate that. Also, I'm going to highlight my brow bone. Next, I'm gonna take a crease brush and go in with this shade here. And I'm gonna go in the crease and keep this just above the crease. From the inner, I want this to be dark, all the way out, and kind of flick it out as you would like eyeliner. Just using windshield wiper motions to blend. Some crease brushes are big and kind of bulky, so I'm using not a small crease brush, but not a large one. I'm gonna go back in with this white shade here. I'm gonna hit my inner corners. Next, I'm gonna take the Wet n Wild Marilyn Monroe Blanc eyeliner, and I'm gonna line my waterline. That is white. I forgot an eyeshadow step. I'm gonna take this dark brown, the darkest brown in the palette, get a little bit on an eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna add this above the crease, just in the outer eye. Kind of flicking it up, that way it doesn't get down onto the lid. This looks really weird, I know. It's gonna come together, I swear. I'm gonna take that white eyeliner again, and I'm going to draw a line coming out. I'm gonna take an angled eyeliner brush, and I'm gonna blend this out. This must be like a waterproof eyeliner because it's not blending out, because it dries down so quickly. So if you are using that white eyeliner, you need to lay it down and move it immediately.
Hello? Babe, how's it going?
I'm doing my makeup.
So, I just want to tell you I love you.
So that's a trick that Marilyn Monroe did. And I'm gonna take that same eyeliner brush, I'm gonna clean it off, and I'm gonna take this dark brown shade. And this is a really thin brush. I'm gonna go just below that white line. I'm gonna create a shadow that goes out. Like so. Now you can drag that far, you can just do a little flick, whatever you like. They used that for film to create or to cast a shadow from her lashes. Now we're gonna do eyeliner. I'm so nervous. I always get nervous. I don't want to mess this up. I am going to use Marilyn Monroe Wet n Wild dual-ended eyeliner in black.
All right, we're doing this.
Wish me luck. I'm gonna keep it pretty thin. I always forget to breathe when I'm doing eyeliner. Other side. I have definitely done better wings in my life, but they're like half sisters. They're like friends that say they're sisters. Next, I'm gonna do one of my favorite parts of makeup, blush. I'm going to take the Marilyn Monroe Wet n Wild Rose Blush, and I'm gonna put this right where my contour is. Such a pretty blush. I've already used this shade before. So back in the day, Marilyn Monroe actually used Vaseline for her highlight.
What?
I do not want to put Vaseline on my face, but back in the day, that's what the movie stars used because there wasn't highlight. I am going to take the Marilyn Monroe Wet n Wild Cool Champagne highlighter. I've already used this highlighter too. It's so pretty, especially if you're super fair skin, because it literally is like a white. Next, I'm gonna go in with mascara. I'm gonna take the Wet n Wild Big Papa mascara. I am going to apply lashes. So I'm just gonna do a really thin coat just to blend into the falsies. That brush is kind of big, so for my bottom lashes, I'm gonna use a smaller mascara, and I'm just gonna hit the middle of my lashes. Now for lashes, I want to use something that is more small in the inner corner and kind of fans out. Ardell recently sent me a whole bunch of lashes, so shout out to Ardell. Thank you so much, Ardell. Ardell is my favorite lash brand, so it's really cool that I'm on their PR list. I think I'm gonna go with 422. So right here, these right here. So I got one lash on, and it really does just bring the look together. Tweezers are your best friend when applying lashes. I know I say this every time I apply lashes, but maybe this is your first time watching me. I like to let the glue dry down a bit. If you apply it as soon as you put it on, it's gonna slide around more. When you let it dry a little bit, it's a little bit more tacky, so it sticks to where you put it. So I like to look down into my mirror. Use the tweezers to move, and then the fat end of the tweezer to push. I'm gonna take a black pencil and line my upper waterline. That way it blends and it's nice and black through here. I'm gonna apply mascara just to the outer lashes to really get that fan going on. Time for lips. Again, I'm nervous.
I'm not freaking out!
I'm gonna take the Marilyn Monroe Wet n Wild lip liner in red, and I'm gonna overline because that's what Marilyn did. I really like this lip liner. Next, I'm gonna take the Wet n Wild Marilyn Monroe red lipstick. I'm gonna fill that in. Ooh, what a beautiful color. Wow, so creamy. And then I'm gonna take the Marilyn Monroe Wet n Wild lip gloss. And the last thing I'm gonna do is a mole. This is my brow pencil. Twisty twist. I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild powder puff and get some of that powder and just dab over it.
See you soon, baboon. Wait, spice it up. See you soon, bitch. Too spicy, too spicy. Oh god, I sent it.